What's tiny, invisible, and can level a city? The atom bomb. Let's break down this monster in 60 seconds. Boom! It starts small, split an atom's nucleus, and bam! Fission unleashes insane energy. One uranium atom? Millions of times more power than TNT. Hiroshima, 1945. Little boy dropped, and 15 kilotons of fury flattened everything. Heat, blast, radiation, all from a grapefruit-sized core. How? Chain reaction. Split one atom, it splits more, and boom goes exponential. Modern bombs? Hundreds of times stronger. Pure chaos in seconds. Want more explosive truths? Hit subscribe.